Cupcake, so this is the best I can do. When our tasty cupcake is smelt, salivary glands begin producing saliva. When inside, chewing combines with the saliva to turn the food into a moist lump called the bolus. The enzymes, amylase, in the saliva break down starch. The food then begins to descend down the esophagus. The nerves in the tissue sense the bolus and trigger a process called peristalsis, which is a series of muscle contractions. Afterwards, it is left in the stomach, which pounds the bolus, breaking it down into chunks. Hormones then trigger the release of acids and enzyme juices from the stomach wall that dissolve the food and break it down into proteins. The hormones also call for the pancreas, liver, and gallbladder to produce digestive juices and transfer bile. 3 hours after the food has entered the stomach, the bolus changes into chyme. It then moves into the small intestine. At this point, the liver sends bile into the gallbladder, causing the chyme to be secreted into the duodenum. Here, fats are dissolved which are in the chyme, and they are broken down by lipase. It is broken down into fatty acids and glycerol. Additionally, the enzymes break down proteins into amino acids, and this enzyme is called pepsin. Also, food is broken down into glucose from carbohydrates. The food then enters the lower regions of the small intestine, the jejunum and the ileum, which are coated with villi. The villi create a huge surface area to maximize absorption and transference into the blood. The blood takes the food to its final place, which is to feed the body's organs and tissues. However, leftover fiber, water, and dead cells make their way into the large intestine, or the colon. Through the colon, it then turns into a stool, which is then squeezed into the rectum, waiting to be expelled through the anus. This journey lasts about 30 or 40 hours.